I have a Jensen all brass control valve. Here's one up close. Will come with a Teflon gasket, and it has an oak handle painted red, and a copper nipple that you can slide a silicone tube onto. I use 1/8 right here. That works real well. 1/8 thick wall. And we're up to steam. Let's crack her up and give it a go. It's very fine control. I like it that you can dial it down to very little pressure just to make your engine run over. Oh, you can open her all the way up. So she dances across the floor on me. This is just a simple demonstration. I wanted to show you what they do. They should screw into any Jensen boiler made since the 30s. Right now we're pushing about 16 pounds. And there you go, simple demonstration. Thanks for looking. Bye.